I just got box 2 of the Darn Good Yarn sock box, and I'm very excited. I really, really like the box 1. Oh, that's so pretty. Hand-dyed, matching self-striping sock kit. Here is the knit and the crochet pattern. Here is the yarn information. It comes from Turkey, and it is 75% superwash merino with some nylon. That is really pretty. And let me see here. Well, and I like how you get a full book here. But look at those crocheted slippers. Those are so cute. Talks about the yarn, how it was made. You got your pattern wrote out. Oh, that's pretty too. I am absolutely loving this sock box, and this is just the second month. I'll show you if you haven't seen it. Box 1. Here's box 1 actually. I will open it up so you can see. Don't rip my box all up. This is the yarn from box 1, and here were the patterns. They were different patterns, but self-striping yarn. But look at that. I'll put that back in here. And what's nice, the pattern, I just folded up, put it in the box, and it is all there. I can see what the pattern is on it. So if I want to use a specific pattern, I don't have to go searching for it. I can just look at the box, and then I know that the pattern is actually in that box. Let me open this one up. I love the hook. Okay. I love these colors. Oh my. They are so pretty. That is going to look so nice. I'm going to do big socks. Wow. And look at the difference of yarn that is used for crochet versus needle knitting. That is crazy. But you got enough. See, they match so that you can make matching socks, which is awesome. Alright guys, that's all I got for this one. I'm really excited about their new Sock of the Month box. It is fantastic. The price is 20 bucks a month, but in the video description below, they have different things that you can use, save some money. And they have karma points, which are fantastic. My karma points build up so that every time I order anything, I just let them build up. And then I will get, you know, $10, $20, $30 off everything I purchase and only end up paying shipping. And if you don't use all of your karma bucks, say you have 20 and you only needed 18, the leftover is saved so you can use it later, which is something I just found out. Okay guys, this is it. That's all I got for you. I love this box. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Turn your notifications on, and it's the little bell. You click on it and you can set it so that you get emails when new videos come out. Thank you guys.